Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how Sintra AI works. We'll explain the basic functions so that you can know for yourself exactly how Sintra can work for you and for your business. So here we are at Sintra AI and we're all logged in. And the first thing that you're going to find is a section here that asks what's on your mind today. And if you just are looking for some inspiration, some motivation, and you're not sure where to start, then you can go ahead and just type that in there. Let's go ahead and type something in here really quick. What recommendations do you have today? We'll just keep it simple and we'll just hit send on that. And it is going straight to Gigi, our personal development AI helper. And Gigi is now going to offer us some important information. Also, she is suggesting to connect Strava. So this is where if you have Strava, then you might want to connect your account. That's something that we still need to do, but that gives you an idea of some of the integrations that Sintra has available. And here we now have some helpful information to get our day started, to consider some things that maybe we might not be thinking about. And Gigi has given us some personal wellness suggestions here. A morning routine, 10 minutes of gentle stretching, an ergonomic workspace, content optimization, revenue stream development, time management. Just gives you an idea of some amazing suggestions that Sintra offers. Let's go ahead and head back to the homepage. So here we have, it says no ideas for today. That's because I have already gone through the ideas, and you'll find on our different employees here this red dot with a number in it, and that gives you an idea that there is an idea waiting for you there. So let's go ahead and click on Cassie for customer support. And here on the left-hand side in our history, you can see the chats with the red dots, and this is an indication that this is an idea that Cassie has created for you. So in this case, Cassie is suggesting creating an automated FAQ response system for AI consultations. I've developed a comprehensive FAQ system, response system tailored for Skillcraft AI's consultation services, maintaining a friendly and professional tone while addressing common inquiries efficiently. So this just gives you an idea of the kind of amazing, invaluable information that Sintra offers. And every day you will get new ideas that you can try. Also, you'll get new questions, and you can answer those questions so that Sintra can get to know you that much better, and your employees can provide those tailored responses that are so invaluable. So let's go ahead and click on Cassie here. And you can see that we have our different chats. We can also just chat directly with Cassie if we want. We can attach files. So you can see here we have our attach file option. So if you have something that you want to attach here, then Cassie or any of your employees can analyze that in order to provide more tailored responses. You can also use the voice function. So if you don't feel like typing and you just want to chat away, then you can use that. And that just can help if you're just trying to clear your head and get some ideas. Create a new chat here. We also have our power-ups. So you'll have your main power-ups suggested here, but we can also click on see all. And here you can see all of the different power-ups that we can take advantage of. We'll just go ahead and click on this one here, product manual generator. We can generate a comprehensive user guide for your product. So that's pretty cool. Additional details. So here you're going to, let's say we have soap. Then you can just put that in there and you can hit generate, and then you will start getting a manual that gets generated for your product. Now, we will probably want to put in a little bit more details than that, but that's just to give you an idea of one of the power-ups that you have access to. You can find all of your power-ups here on the left-hand side in the menu. If you click on that, then here you go. We just have all of these amazing power-ups that we can take advantage of. And if you take a look at our Sintra playlist, we go into depth with each of our AI employees and the power-ups that they offer. There's just some amazing content in here. Go check that out. And here we have our automations. So you can see that we can automate our social media posts. So if we click on that, We can just click setup here, and you can set up your social media platforms, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram, and that will allow Soshi to be able to post automatically for you. So that is a good way of making sure that you are consistent in your social media presence. We have our Brain AI here. This is where we can connect all of our various integrations: LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, Google Calendar, Microsoft Drive, Notion, QuickBooks, Strava, Analytics. We've got Shopify, Stripe, Google Ads, and Meta Ads coming soon. And we also have our chat history over here. So all of your different chats for all of your different AI employees all in one place. So that's very useful. I'd recommend clicking on the 3 dots here and renaming the chats that are the most important. So that way you can easily find them. And yeah, so that gives you an idea of how Sintra AI works. If you want to take advantage of Sintra AI, head to our Linktree link in the description, click on that, and you will find our top AI recommendations and some amazing promotions, including a promotion for Sintra. So if you click on that, you'd be helping us out, and use discount code Skillcraft60, and you can get 60% off of your subscription with Sintra. I can't recommend it enough. It is the reason that we're partnered with Sintra is because of all the different tools that I have come across in doing videos for Skillcraft. Sintra just really stood out to me as being so invaluable, so I highly recommend it. Click on that link. You'd be helping us out, and we would greatly appreciate it.